I am going to share with you 14 crucial phrases that are commonly used in everyday conversation. Let's start with number 1, to feel under the weather, which means to feel ill or unwell. For example, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'm going to take a nap. 2, to be as busy as a bee, meaning to be very busy or active. For example, she's as busy as a bee, working on 3 projects at the same time. 3, a piece of cake, that means something that is very easy to do or achieve. For example, this crossword puzzle is a piece of cake for me. 4, a storm in a teacup, that means a lot of fuss or trouble over something that is not important or serious. For example, don't worry about their argument, it's just a storm in a teacup. 5, to be all at sea, which means to be in a state of confusion or uncertainty. For example, he was all at sea after losing his job and didn't know what to do next. 6, to bark up the wrong tree, which means to have a false or mistaken idea about something. For example, if you think I'm going to lend you money, you're barking up the wrong tree. 7, to be ahead of one's time, meaning to have modern or innovative ideas that are not appreciated or understood by others. For example, she was ahead of her time with her inventions, but nobody recognized her genius. 8, to have an axe to grind, that means to have a dispute or a grievance with someone. For example, he has an axe to grind with his boss, who didn't give him the promotion he deserved. 9, to have a memory like a sieve. That means to have a poor memory or forget things easily. For example, I have a memory like a sieve, I can never remember where I put my keys. 10, a pain in the neck, which means an annoying person or thing. For example, that noisy dog is a pain in the neck, it keeps me awake at night. 11, a dog's life, meaning a difficult, hard life. For example, he lives a dog's life, working long hours for little pay. 12, a night owl, which means a person who enjoys staying up late or who works best at night. For example, I'm a night owl, I always get more done after midnight. 13, a wild goose chase, meaning a hopeless or futile search or pursuit. For example, they send me on a wild goose chase, looking for a book that doesn't exist. 14, to make a fool of oneself, that means to do something embarrassing or stupid that makes one look bad. For example, he made a fool of himself by dancing on the table at the party.